today is the first of 3 skills days, so our CPD programme this year is spread over each term, and each second half of each term Soundstorm are putting on a whole day of workshops which are focusing on the confidence, building confidence and skills and knowledge for all the primary music teachers in the area, but sometimes it's not necessarily the music leads, it might be a TA that teaches music or another member of staff that teaches classroom music.
So what I teach are different forms of vocal improvisation, which is individual creativity and collective, collaborative music making. I would love if the participants took away first a sense of empowerment of their capacity to make music and to generate new, fresh, off-the-moment musical activities which are guided by their own intuition and musicality. Part of the learning is unlearning about the restraints and constraints we have in our musical education, and to find again that natural, innate freedom and joy of making music. And that's what I'm interested in.
We also have Sam Mason from Coda, who is delivering a workshop on creative music making and composition skills, so a bit more instrumental.
Well, I'm very used to teaching in a very structured way, I suppose, with my choirs and my musicians, and he is coming from a bit more of a holistic approach to the natural vocal that we have and the rhythm that we have, and how we can encourage people that wouldn't necessarily call themselves singers or musicians to engage in all forms of music, really, which I found really, really useful so far. Yeah, it's been really good fun, learning loads, learning the feeling of what some children might feel slightly in an uncomfortable situation, which is new for me, and will really help me with my skills with those people moving forward. It's brilliant, and everyone's having a great time.
So we've been being led in workshops to do with singing together and singing circle songs, experimenting with different sounds, and just enjoying creating music together with the aim to hopefully take it back into schools. It's quite exciting, quite nerve-wracking at times, kind of putting ourselves out of our comfort zones, and I suppose in some ways feeling a bit like it might be as a child being led in schools, but yes, it's exciting.
Find a little ostinato and choose 3 or 4 people and give it to them. Huma, huma, huma.